Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, nice to hear you. So, have you done the assignment which was given to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And one more thing I am going to ask you, you have any confusion regarding your internal exam, you can ask me. Still now you are having any kind of confusion regarding your internal exam, you can ask me. Anyone, any problem?
मैम एक बार
No.
सिलेबस अच्छे से बता देते हैं मैम.
Syllabus. What should I do?
Yes, ma'am.
Syllabus?
सर ओके मैम.
Syllabus yesterday I have already discussed. You can see in the YouTube. Okay.
हाँ yes मैम. Okay.
Okay, I have already shown it on the YouTube only by sharing the screen only, because so that you will not face any problem who have not attended the class. That's why. Okay. Okay. So how many of you have completed the assignment? May I know? Okay. Jishan, Shishir. Okay. Can you see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. So any confusion regarding this? Any confusion? Saroj Kumar, are you there?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, this one is yours. I shouted for help, but nobody came. He spoke loudly enough for even those in the back rows of. What you have written here? He spoke loudly enough for. Saroj, please explain me this one. Saroj.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. Are you busy with something?
No ma'am.
Okay, please explain the second sentence to me.
Ma'am, he has spoken loudly enough for even those in the back row to hear. मैम वो इतना लाउडली से स्पीक किया कि बैक वाला सुन नहीं पाया.
Is this sentence correct? I am asking to everyone. Is this sentence correct? Is this sentence correct? Please tell me, anyone.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, it is not meaningful.
If he has written he spoke very loudly, or he spoke, can you say with spoke loudly will be there or loud will be there? Loud or loudly it will be?
Ma'am, loud.
Yeah. Okay. This is the mistake. Okay, next you have completed. Okay, I will I will come to these things later on. Now, next thing I am asking you about redundancy, something I am just asking to you people. If some kind of meaning, means if someone asks you some kinds of meaning as a redundancy, just some people we say no, 12 midnight. Is it correct? 12 noon. Sometimes you have seen me also. I am also posting this one 12 noon. Your class value from this to this 12 noon. Is this correct? Instead of this word, it is correct. 12 midnight, what we can say? Instead of 12 midnight, what we can say?
12 a.m.
No. Midnight.
Ma'am,
Only midnight, okay?
midnight.
Huh? Yeah, Kanaya? Hello?
Ma'am.
Kanaya, I think you're facing some network issues. I'm not getting your voice properly. Okay. So in midnight, what we can say? 12 midnight. Instead of this, we can say only midnight. 12 noon. Instead of that, we can say noon. A total of 14 students. What we can say? 14 students. New innovations. Innovations, because innovations are always new. These are the simple mistakes what we do in our life, in our everyday life. Okay. Repeat again. Repeat again. What we can do here? Repeat. Okay. So these things you should keep in your mind. These are the small things. Now, next. Next I am giving you something. Please note it down and you have to just write it all. Please all of you note it down, okay? You just get ready. I am saying you some of the words. Please tell me. He has the ability to do this work. He can do this work. Do both that have same meaning? He has the ability to do this work. He can do this work. Do both the sentences have the same meaning? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, in first sentence, capable, ability मतलब किसी चीज को करने की क्षमता, वो उस चीज को करने के लिए सक्षम है. एंड सेकंड वन, वो कर सकता है, बस उसको ये इंडिकेट हो रहा है.
Both have same meaning. Both have same meaning. He has the ability to do this work. He can do this work. One is worthy and one is simple. Instead of this has the ability to, the simple word is can. We used to say na subsequent to. What is subsequent to is a worthy word and the simple is after. Okay. A large number of peoples are there. Many peoples are there. One is worthy, one is simple. Okay. Now please you write, all of you. I'm saying the words. There are 10 words. You have to make the sentences from those words. Are you people are ready now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please write the meaning of, means make the sentence carefully, like that one of them I have shown you. See the grammatical errors, where you have to use properly the grammar. Please, it's my humble request to all of you. Only submitting the assignment is not enough all. Please look at the grammatical part. See, cacophony. What do you mean by this cacophony? Redundancy. Basically, where cacophony is used. Where cacophony is used, basically in which example? Where we hear this cacophony sound?
Noisy environment.
Noisy sound. Yeah, do we hear this cacophony sound in this Chavasa Engineering College? Yes or no? No. Do we hear this cacophony sound in Chavasa post office job? Yes or no?
Yes.
So cacophony means a mixture of sounds, different various kinds of sounds that we basically hear in the marketplaces, in busy towns, busy roads. Okay. Suppose somewhere is some announcements are there, some vehicles sound is there. That is called cacophony.
And in the classroom?
In the class you can't say because it is only the chatter of people.
Yes,
It's only the chatter of people, but cacophony means you have a mixture of all those different kinds of sounds. Okay. In a class, what happened? In a class means only a single thing, na? You students only chatter.
And students are chatting and sometimes bell ringing. This all sound.
Oh, it's basically it is not cacophony. It is not cacophony, you will say. Next one is cameo. Cameo. What does it mean, cameo? I know that girls will be knowing this cameo. Srishti Priya, Shubhashni, do you know what's this cameo? I want to know from you people. Girls, what is this cameo? You people will be known. Have you seen the Roman paintings? Roman paintings, you will see they used to carve the human faces or make beautiful face that is being carved. Okay. And I will say what short, I mean short type something's written. Like in the coin it is written, and these girls used to wear in their neck like a pendant. This is the cameo.
Jewelries.
Yeah, one kind of jewelry. Basically, it is Roman people used to wear. Okay. Next. Who's now joining with me? Next one. Cancel you know out. Careful. Scrutiny. What does you mean by scrutiny? See, there are basic means very new words you are learning here. You know his scrutiny. You give your copy for the scrutiny when you are not satisfied from your marks. What is this? Scrutiny. For review. Okay. Sometimes if you are not satisfied with your marks, you give an application for this scrutiny. For review of your copy once again. Cash, you people know money. Seize. Seize. What is the meaning of this seize? Seize meaning?
Block.
Block. Okay. Block. Close. Anna. It can be block, it can be close. Now, circulate around, classify into groups. Proximity, that means closed. Feast. Feast. F-E-A-S-T. Feast means? What do you mean?
Celebration.
Celebration. Okay. Feast. What do you mean by feast? Any other than this celebration? I invite you for the feast. Means celebration you are
Like party.
saying.
Party.
Dawat.
Yeah, that's Dawat, yes, ma'am.
The actual meaning of this feast is Dawat. This the proper word is Dawat. Dawat is English as well as Hindi word. It is basically Arabic word, I think so. And Dawat we use Dawat is an English word also. And what is this FIST feast means? Give me a feast of rice. If I say, give me a feast of rice.
Ma'am, mutti.
Mutti, very good. Very good, very good. Okay. Mutti.
And मुट्ठी तो FIST होता है. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, FI? क्या होता है? What is this?
ST, yes.
Is this correct or wrong?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct. Collaborate. 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 Any sentence from this collaborate?
Together.
Together. Together. Please make any sentence. Please collaborate with me.
Together.
Yeah, I know. What do you mean? Must make a sentence. Please make a sentence. Please work. All of you, please work in collaborate. That means you all people work jointly or together. Okay. Combine.
The fest went successful in collaboration with him and with his colleagues.
The feast went
successful in collaboration with him and his colleagues.
went. What you are saying? Why you are saying went? You can also say the feast was successful.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Collaborate
can't
for a kitty party.
collaborate.
For a kitty party.
You can't say that collaborate for a kitty party. How you can say?
Ma'am,
Collaborate for kitty party. If I will say, how you will say? Kitty party means what?
party.
Kitty party
Small
means
party.
what? No, kitty party means what? You know what is
Girls' party.
huh? Girls
Girls'
party.
party.
Yeah. Girls
Only
party are
ladies
known
allowed.
as kitty party. So in that field, what the out means, what the work they will do when you are going for organizing any party, no? You don't collaborate. You are organize some parties. And the meaning of this collaborate means to do some kind of activities, to do some kind of projects.
Is it correct they collaborate for a meeting?
Yeah, collaborate for the meeting. Collaborate for the meeting. Because collaboration word is basically an official word uses for this business purposes, for the student's life, for leadership skills, for all these words we use collaborate. And for this, all this we are
Hello.
saying, yeah, hello.
Chaibasa Engineering College is under the collaboration of JUT and Techno India.
No. Wrong
Hello.
sentence. Because
Chaibasa Engineering
Chavas,
College is working under the collaboration.
yes. Working under, not working together. It is not under. It is under PPP mode. It is not working. It is working together. And when you are using working,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, when you are using a working together, you can't use collaborate. Collaborate with means working with, together with. And it is under PPP mode, okay? Basically, collaboration is that thing that when more than one people or more than any organization is working together in any of the tasks to achieve the target level or achieve the goal, and that should be of this similar background. That one, collaboration. Next, combine. Combine also means together. Commute. Commute. What do you mean by this commute? Commute meaning. Please wear what do you mean? Wear, to change. Something to wear. Commute meaning. Okay. That is the meaning of commute. To wear something. Now, if I use this is my daily commute dress, means this is my daily commute dress. What will it mean in Hindi? Daily. What for daily? Hmm? Dainik. Commute means पहनना. Dainik पहनना. Commute. Completely destroyed. Completely eliminate. Completely engulfed. Engulfed. Completely filled. Completely surrounded. Component parts. Confer together. Connect together. Connect up. Confuse state. Conscious of opinions. Constantly. Maintained. Cooperate together. Could. Possibly. Crisis. Situation. Curative. Now, this curative. Where we use this curative? Where we use this curative?
Medical purposes like he cured himself.
No, curative. Curative. This medicine. So, listen. Is the curative of coronavirus. COVID is the curative of coronavirus. Means it is a healer. Okay.
Have you taken vaccine?
Hmm?
Have you taken vaccine, ma'am?
Yeah, I have already taken. Now it's for me for the second dose.
Covishield or Covaxin, ma'am?
Me COVID shield. In our area, COVID shield is given. You?
I think it will be kept a period of 82 days.
Yeah, means July my date is given.
I have been vaccinated both doses, ma'am. Covaxin.
Okay, okay. Okay. So this curative word is basically used for this medical one. Okay. Next crisis, curative, incumbent, incumbent. In current we used to say no, current situation. So incumbent, incumbent means I incumbent on my father. Means I depend on my father. You people incumbent on your parents. Means you people depends on your parent. Current trend. See, it's also
My
meaning
English,
correct.
my English marks are incumbent on my English, ma'am.
You are because the background I am not getting some kinds of sound. It's very disturbing. That's why your voice is not getting properly. I'm not getting your voice properly. What you were saying, please repeat the sentence. Please repeat the sentence.
My English marks are dependent on my English teacher.
No, you can't say this one. Nirbhar, because if you give your assignment, if you give you all those things, then definitely will give you. I have to give you the marks. But I have to see whether they are grammatically correct or not. Okay, next one. Now, next part I'm coming with you. Redundancy, I have already told that it means that repeating something else that is unnecessary. Huh? Now you people understand what is this redundancy? That means that repeating something else. Suppose I am giving you one question. What do you mean by a redundancy? I will give you many kinds of sentences. From there, if you have to choose, then what you will say? What is this? That repeating something else that is unnecessary. Okay. And what happens sometimes? what mistakes we do? Mostly what mistakes we do? Means when we write any kind of sentences, what happened? We use the same synonym in the same sentence to make it more suitable. Now, concise. Someone was telling about this concise. Do you know anyone what's concise? Concise meaning when you are writing something, it is to the point. Just to the point. Point to point answer I used to say, no, sometimes. That one is that concise. Point to point. Okay. There will be less description in this concise. And basically what we use active voice. So this is the difference between a concise and this is a difference between a redundancy. Okay. Next, I'm giving you some words about redundancy. Please note it down. You have to make these sentences. Okay, please note the words. Ready?
Ma'am, your
Yes,
voice
ma'am.
is low. Yes, ma'am.
And my voice is low. Now?
Breaking somewhere.
No, ma'am, it's perfect.
Because I am using my own hotspot data, so I don't think enough data is there in my mobile. Okay, right, first one. Atrocious. 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 Instead of bad, you can say atrocious. Okay. Atrocious. ATROCIOUS. Next. Freezing. 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 Next. Ferocious. 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 Next. Jubilant. 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 Next. Adored. 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 Next. Spacious. 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 Next. Anxious. 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 Next. Solemn. 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 Next. Gaunt. 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 Next. Exhausted. 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 Okay, have you written? Who have written, please repeat this one, the words. Who have written, please repeat the words. have written, please repeat the word. Anjali Chaudhary, repeat the words. Anjali Chaudhary, repeat the words. This girl is just attending the class.
Yes, ma'am, बोल रहे. Atrocious.
Atrocious or ferocious?
मैम पहले atrocious बोले थे आप.
Atrocious. Okay. Atrocious meaning? Instead of very bad, you will use atrocious. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Next word.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Ma'am, freezing. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Instead of cold, you use the word freezing. Next.
Ferocious.
Ferocious. Ferocious, you know, fierce, F-I-E-R-C, fierce. Instead of this, we used to say, na, he is very, very ferocious.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of this very and all those things, we use this ferocious. Okay, next.
Jubilant.
Jubilant. He is very happy.
Yes.
Instead of that, you use jubilant word. Next.
Spacious.
Spacious. That means, can you say spacious? This means this room is very big. Instead of very big room, we can say it's very, very spacious. No, it is spacious. Here we cut this word
Anxious.
very. Huh? What
Ma'am,
do you
फिर
say?
anxious.
Please tell the spelling, what you've written.
A-N-X-I-O-U-S. Anxious.
Anxious. He is very
That's
worried.
right.
He is very worried. Instead of that, anxious. Next.
मैम anxious होगा या anxious होगा मैम?
Anxious.
Pronunciation.
A-N.
Solemn.
Anxious. A-N-X-I-O-U-S. Okay, next word.
Solemn.
Solemn. Why we use solemn? He is very serious. That means solemn. Next.
Gaunt.
Gaunt. Shishir is very thin. Means Shishir is gaunt. Okay, next word.
Exhausted.
Exhausted. I exhausted. What do you mean by exhausted? Today I am very exhausted. Can I use no? Today I am very tired. Instead of very tired, we use exhausted. Next.
Yes, ma'am. Adorant.
Adorant. What do you mean by this adorant? Any one of you? Any one of you? Spelling?
Caring.
A-D-O-R-E-D. O-R-E-D.
Very lovable. That means adored. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I've asked you. Okay. So you have to complete this sentence.